Okay, we are going to read today chapter 5, and what is the
The topic is you can create when your heart
yeah
longs for singing.
longs for singing. You can create
Singing.
your heart longs for singing.
Sing.
Who is the writer? Dr. Govind Raj.
That's but right.
So, what we are going to discuss here? Biography of the,
Paragraph of the writer,
what was his name?
Govinda.
Dr. Govind Raj.
Dr. Govindaraj Bhattarai.
And
He
then
was born on 27 July 1953 at the age of 64. He died.
okay, in
His
Taplejung,
nationality is
when he
Nepalese.
was in Nepalese, okay,
He was born in Taplejung, Nepal, and
okay,
his occupation is professor, novelist,
professor novelist,
essayist,
essayist, literary
literate,
linguist,
linguist, translation consultant.
okay. So Dr. Govind Rai Bhattarai was born in Taplejung district of Nepal in
Nepal in
1953,
1953.
and then he is a Nepalese professor, novelist, essayist, okay. Again, we are talking about that. His notable works include what? Socrates' Diary, and then Socrates'
Socrates, Footstep, Mughal,
Discourse, and then
Postmodern
Mirror,
Discourse,
Time,
Mirror,
Consciousness.
Postmodernism.
Okay. Next thing, the writer became the pro-life creative writer, not by any chance or design.
Vision.
The family belongs to Pandit family, so writing is his family legacy.
His
Then to be
legacy.
a writer is coincidence in the hesitance of the society's nurture. And then he prefers to be addressed a creative writer and a
And
mild
man
critic.
critic.
Not only that, he has written forward 200 of novels and anthologies of poetry, stories, biographies, and other
Graphic.
works. Okay, his major works include what? Mughal, Letter from
Letter from Manipur. Socrates,
Diary,
Footstep, Socrates, Diary,
and then postmodern Mirror. Okay,
Mirror, etc.
then what are the main ideas we discussed earlier? What is the first thing? Read Sita.
The writer reflected his experience of his school, society, and family.
Family. Okay, Parmila.
Yes, sir. His
Yes.
parents advocate or advise him to get good scores in the exam with top
Good.
marks.
So his parents were willing to
Get good marks.
Him to
yeah,
get
good
good marks.
good marks. Okay, and then his
Yeah.
teachers prioritize for memorization.
Memorizing some grammar, content, and vocabulary items for memorization.
Why they were willing? I mean, why they were prioritizing for memorization? Because they were thinking that knowing grammar, knowing content, and knowing vocabulary, a person can be creative.
Yeah.
The sound knowledge of grammar, look here, the sound knowledge of grammar, vocabulary, and content rarely help for the creator. Who says? Govind Raj Bhattarai says, knowledge of this, vocabulary, grammar, and content rarely can help for the, can help to be creative writer.
Creative writing.
Okay. No grammar.
Great linguist.
And the information of the grammar, information of vocabulary, and information of content cannot
Yes.
create
Help for the creative writing.
writing. Okay,
Yes.
great linguists and critics dies. Why? The
Without the creative writing.
linguists have different ideas. Okay, critics have different criticisms. Okay, but what happens? They die without any creative writing. Okay, what happens? Then we discussed about what is creative writing. So what is creative writing? One of you please say. Formula.
Faculty of
It is the
imagination.
faculty of imagination and art of
Art of
expression
expression and
of
gift
God.
of
Expression.
God. Okay,
God.
is faculty of imagination. Okay, art of expression, a gift of God.
Gift of God.
And then what is creative writing? It is
Manifestation of innate art.
Okay, and then
Spiritual art.
it is
Inherited involuntarily.
voluntary. Okay, and then it is
Made of many fusion.
fusion
Many ingredients.
Okay, and then he says that creative art recreates the
The life.
means
Life.
he says that creative art recreates. There is a recreation of the life by the creative art. Not only this, we discuss here creative writing. I mean, it means creative writings reproduces whatever man could achieve and whatever lies unattained in his mind and heart. Okay, and then next thing, creative writing is self-directed, self-crafted artist as Eklavya. So we earlier, I mean, we discussed about Eklavya. So Eklavya was a skilled person. He, I mean, learned how to write. I mean, how to play with bow and arrow. He was a skilled person. Okay, but there was no teacher for him. I mean, there was nobody to teach him about that thing. But what happened? He saw Vishwamitra, and then he learned how he was teaching to Arjun. Okay, and looking at them, he learned. But what happened? Because of different problem, he could not become the most skilled person in that time in his country. Next thing, creative writing is, I mean, creative is the individual characteristic. What the writer says, to be creative,
Individual,
individual
व्यक्तिगत,
characteristic. We should
विशेषता,
have individual characteristic. I mean, we should have in a personal personal features, because that make us creative. Okay, not only this, creative writing is replica, I mean, reflection of broken dreams. So Sigmund Freud says that when we have some unfulfilled desire that cannot come out through our language, through our speaking, through our I mean, any way of expression, then we have some unfulfilled desire, and the very unfulfilled desire, when comes out in the form of writing, that becomes creative writing. Okay,
writing.
person becomes creative writer. So we should have, I mean, to be creative, I mean, creative writer, to write creative writing, we must have some broken dreams, unfulfilled desires, unsatisfied desires. Okay, then he says, unless the writer cannot do well in one subject, I mean, if you are, suppose you are planning to do in one genre, one subject, but you are unfulfilled, I mean, you are unable to do that, then what is your duty? You have to change it. You have to change the genre. Okay, and read. What happens in course of study, in course of writing and reading, reading and writing go hand to hand. Okay, next thing, as the writer developed the creative writing, composing poems at the beginner, the writing composing the creative writing skills involuntarily and subconsciously without knowing its values at the beginning. I mean, we do not know the values. When you start at the first time writing anything, then you do not know the real value. Your heart desires, your heart longs, and then you start writing. Okay, what happens then? The writer imitated some vague lines. I mean, first of all, the writer tried his career from, I mean, from the lines of his father. I mean, he copied some lines, some vague lines of his father, and he started composing poem. But what happened? But he could not. He became unsuccessful. Then he switched. He changed his writing. I mean, he started writing novel from composing poems. Okay, I mean, changed it. Okay, what happened then? The writer started his career from composing poems, but he could not succeed. But then subsequently, I mean, as a result, what happened? He switched from poem to writing novel and becomes a mild critic.
Mild critic.
Okay. Not only that, Nirma, would you like to please the first line? He argues. Okay.
He argues out different genres of creative writing. Poetry has truly become a weapon or the voice of the voiceless.
Good. So poetry is, a voice for those voiceless who don't, who don't have voice. So if suppose you go to visit any place, you see different beautiful flowers, hill, park, garden, and animals, birds, and can they speak as human being? No, Then when
Wow.
you compose them in the form of your poem, you are representing the voice of those birds, animals, and then beautiful scene and scenario. Okay. Therefore, as a poet, I mean the poem is the weapon. I mean the voice of the voiceless. Okay. Only that, suppose you have a problem at the task of the government. At that time you start composing a poem. I mean your heart desires, your heart longs to say something about the recent government, that he is not doing good. Therefore whatever you compose, whatever ideas, feelings, emotions comes out of your mind, whatever thinking comes out of your heart, you compose in the form of poem, and then you are representing the voice of voiceless in the form of poem. Therefore poetry is a weapon,
The voice of the
of the voice
voiceless.
of the voiceless. Okay.
Voiceless.
Next thing, the writer uses the language of his own heart while expressing his emotional
So in the poetry.
poetry. Okay.
Emotional ideas.
Emotional idea thinking. Okay.
Mm.
Whatever emotional ideas he had. Okay. He
He
had.
expresses in the poetry.
Okay. The languages has been used in this in his writing. He says the writer agrees all his writing have been the songs of his heart and sagas of, I mean what songs, what desires. So his songs means here desires, wishes. Okay. So whatever his heart had desires, wishes, whatever there was different events within his heart, he has presented here. He is willing to say the writer agrees all his writing have, I mean within his all writing we can find out the events of his heart, the desires and wishes of his heart. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
Any question, anybody?
No, sir.
We have to join now.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.